Hey friends, welcome to our channel! Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any fun yoga adventures with your favorite characters. Today, we're going on a special journey with Moana. Get ready to stretch, breathe, and move your body as we explore the ocean, islands, and wind just like a true wayfinder. Find a comfy spot, sit up tall, and take a deep breath in and out. Are you ready to be strong, brave, and calm like Moana? Let's begin our yoga adventure. Now let's get started. Sit comfortably, just like Moana, pausing to listen to the ocean and her heart. As you breathe in, imagine calm waves filling you with peace and courage. As you breathe out, feel your body relax while your inner strength gently shines. Lie gently on your back and lift both legs up toward the sky. Feel your body supported by the ground beneath you. Your journey is full of growth and discovery. Like Moana, we'll find your path along the way. Hold strong and steady, feeling your whole body working together with power and focus. You are stronger than you think. Even when it feels tough, your courage keeps you going. Take a deep breath and remind yourself that you are capable. Open your heart and lift gently, feeling warmth and confidence grow inside you. Like Moana trusting her journey, you can trust yourself and your practice. Let each breath fill you with courage and calm energy. You are courageous, confident, and ready for whatever comes next. Feel the strength in your body and the confidence in your mind. You are full of courage and resilience. Even if it feels challenging, you are building power with every second. Breathe deeply and know that you are fearless and unstoppable. Great! Now let's do the same pose on the other side. Stand strong and powerful, feeling your spirit rise from deep inside you. Keep your focus steady and your heart confident as you hold this moment. Every breath makes you feel calmer and full of determination. Stand tall and strong, just like Moana looking out over the ocean, ready for her next adventure. Feel your feet rooted to the ground like an island. As you breathe in, imagine courage filling your whole body. As you breathe out, let go of any doubts and feel proud. Perfect. Now, let's do the same pose on the other side. Reach up high like you're touching the sky above the horizon. Feel your body growing taller and your heart growing braver with every breath. Stay focused and believe in yourself. Balance on one leg and imagine you are a tall, strong palm tree. Even when the wind blows, you stay grounded. Moana stays strong through every storm she encounters. You can stay strong too. Great! Now let's do the same pose on the other side. Your calm mind helps your body stay balanced. Like her, you can be focused even when things feel tricky. Take a deep breath and keep steady. You've got this. Stretch your arms wide like the open sea, full of possibilities and wonder. Imagine the wind guiding you forward, helping you stay balanced and free. Even if you wobble, Remember that Moana keeps going no matter what. Each breath makes you stronger and more confident. Amazing! Now, let's do the same pose on the other side. Lean gently to the side like the wind guiding a sail across the water. Feel the stretch along your body and the strength within you. Moana trusts the wind, and you can trust yourself. Stay steady and breathe deeply. Lift your arms and open your chest like you are welcoming the ocean breeze. Feel the fresh energy fill your body as you breathe deeply. She trusts the wind to guide her, and you can trust your breath to guide you. Stay open, strong, and confident. Bend over gently like a wave rolling softly onto the shore. Let your body feel supported and safe as you move. Moana listens to the ocean, and you can listen to your body. Move slowly and with care. Bend and stretch like the flowing waves moving back and forth. Let your body move gently and smoothly with your breath. Imagine the sea helping you relax and feel peaceful inside. You are calm, strong, and in control. You have a powerful spirit inside you that shines brighter every time you try. Like Moana, your courage helps guide you through new adventures. Every breath brings you more confidence and calm. Keep believing in yourself no matter what. Close your eyes and imagine yourself sailing across a peaceful ocean at sunset. Feel the calm, the strength, and the happiness inside you. Your journey, just like Moana's, is full of adventure and growth. Carry this brave and peaceful feeling with you wherever you go. Lie back and relax like you are floating on calm water. Let your whole body rest and feel supported. The ocean is gentle, and so are you with yourself. Take slow breaths and feel peaceful. Each breath brings you closer to your best self. Keep believing. Great job today. You are amazing. Take a deep breath, feel proud of yourself, and carry this calm and happy feeling with you for the rest of your day. Thank you for practicing with me. I can't wait to see you again soon. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for new characters and yoga adventures. See you next time.